me through a little bit about how you help companies establish new policies when making transitions over to Cardata.
Yeah, so we have standard ones depending on kind of the industry that you're in that we can compare against. And really understanding what are the goals associated with your policy. Are you trying to make this a very strict policy where you have to put everything in on time, you can't be late for anything? And we can set those policies around that. So we first take a look at what are the goals and how can we design the program and the policy around those goals. What are the goals of the risk team? What are the factors that they need to take into consideration? So making sure that we leverage every stakeholder at the company so that they all have their aspects integrated into the policy that we build for them. So it's really a team build, it's a partnership build, and we go back and forth until we get something that works kind of perfectly for the company, but it's also fair to the employees.
Awesome, yeah. It sounds like cross-functional collaboration is really a key root of these programs, right? Mm-hmm. Making sure that, say for example, your drivers are sales representatives, they might have a territory, that the sales managers and their employees feel really confident in the program, but so does finance, right? And so does HR, and everybody's really aligned. And it's nice to hear that there's base, policies in place that we can use and adjust depending on the industry, so what the benchmarks are, where do you want to play? Do you want to be less or more competitive? Do you want to reimburse a little bit richer? But then also there's the ability to make these adjustments depending on, the cross-functional collaboration and the stakeholders involved.